Hi, my lovely crown rays. Welcome to Crown and Core channel, the space where we grow healthy natural hair, strengthen our bodies, and learn real healthy education backed by science. Have you been struggling with hair breakage, slow growth, weight gain, or confusing healthy advice online? Well, you have reached to the right channel. You are welcome. This channel is specifically made for you. Yes, I created this channel because I believed beauty and health go hand in hand. So when your crown is thriving and your core is strong, your confidence will be extraordinary. Therefore, do well to subscribe to join the Crown Royals family so that you can boost your beauty and fitness. Anyways, we welcome you all for this session. Yes, so without wasting much more time, I had told you, we had already prepared the cocktail juice. For those that missed that session, please go watch that YouTube video. It's on our YouTube channel. So this is the product. After 12 hours of leaving it there, that's how it comes out. Yes, it is usually reddish. I don't know that color, guys. Someone should comment about it. I do not know the color. Am I colorblind? No, it's for males. So me, I don't know. So here I'm going to be showing you how I use that cocktail that is making my hair grow very, very fast. So enjoy. Okay. Ensure you moist your hair very, very well, as well as you massage your scalp so that you can stimulate hair growth. Yes. So, a quick question to you guys. Did you know this cocktail existed? Have you even tried it? Is it working for you? Please comment in the comment section. Let's see. For me, it's working for me. It is working for me, crown areas. So those crown areas that have not yet started, please do well to start. As for those that are new here on this channel, please ensure you hit that subscribe button so that you can join the Crown Rose family. You're welcome anyways. You see? Who said you can't lock your natural hair? See that beauty, see, look at me. Guys, look at that. Guys, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I used to wear synthetic hair, and I used not to have a lot of piece on me because that hair will reach at some point and ish. And sometimes it is usually too hot. For those that are in Uganda, you know what I'm talking about. So at especially in the night, you will not have peace. You look so beautiful, but you will not have peace. So I decided, why not lock my natural hair? Yes, and guys, I'm having a lot of peace with it. I am enjoying my natural hair. So anyways, please subscribe. See you, Crown Royals. Love you.